Experiencing a black screen or no sound in your Hyundai Creta's infotainment system can be frustrating. These problems often stem from software glitches, hardware malfunctions, or connection issues. First, try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to reboot the system. If that doesn't work, check the fuse box for the infotainment fuse, usually 10S, and replace it if blown. For no sound issues, ensure the volume isn't muted and that the correct audio source is selected. Power surges, software conflicts, or physical damage from impacts are also possible causes. If basic troubleshooting fails, perform a factory reset through the System Settings menu. Navigate to Settings, then System, and select Factory Reset. Another DIY method is disconnecting the car battery for 30 minutes to fully reset the system. Remember to repair your Bluetooth devices afterwards. For persistent issues on older 2019-2023 models, update the infotainment firmware via USB. Connect a USB drive with the update file to the system's USB port. Visit a Hyundai service center for professional diagnostics if the above methods don't work. They can identify hardware issues and provide expert repairs. Extended warranties on infotainment modules cover repairs for eligible vehicles, up to 10 years or 150,000 miles. Check your coverage details. For hardware repairs, contact a professional technician. They have the tools and expertise to fix complex infotainment system issues safely.